of the modified Shim, Shimmy. This is probably my favorite part of the whole routine. It's just fun. You get to put in the most flair and style, and I hope you realize that through all of these, I'm wanting you to like put in your own like sass and style into them, right? We have like the beats we know to hit, but how you hit them is totally how you're feeling. Now you want it's your little swingy dance, tap swingy dance. But this one is fun. In the basic form, you're just starting off walking. You're taking 4 steps starting on your right foot. You're going to go walk, 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 walk. Nice and simple. Now, how could you do those walks? Totally up to you, but you could go walk, 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 walk. You could go walk, 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 walk. You could go bring back the twist and shout days. Walk, 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 walk. You could go chug, step, chug, step. It's totally up to you, guys. You can even get a little Latin and you go walk, 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 walk. Which I guess you can't really see my hip action. You're just seeing my feet in this video. That's fine. We'll have a full body video of it later. Not today, guys. The bottom half, it's got stuff. Top half is a hot mess. Okay, so we're just going to do our 4 walks. And we get to walk starting on our right, and then eventually we'll also walk starting on our left. So we could go like walk, 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 walk. Right? Nice and simple. Have fun with it. And it is going to be slow because of the tempo of our song. So you really can fly that up how you want. The next part, after we go walk, 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 we're going to step on our right foot, and we get to do a scuff step, right? So we're brushing our left heel. Scuff, scuff, scuff. Nice and simple. Step right, scuff left. Step right, scuff left. Again, step right, scuff left. One more time. Step right, scuff left. So we just did walk right, walk left, rock right, walk left, walk right, scuff left. Now, depending on how you feel about a slight releve, right, we're going to have a slight bend in our knee. You can, after you scuff, do a heel with your right. If that's too much and you haven't worked the strength up for that yet, don't do it. You'll just snap your fingers. So you'll go right, scuff, snap. Right, scuff, snap. Right, scuff, snap. One more, right, scuff, snap. If you're feeling it, you're going to go right, scuff, heel. Right, scuff, heel. Right, scuff, heel. But it's, the beat of it is syncopated. So we're going walk, 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 right, scuff, heel. Bump, bump, bump. Right, scuff, snap. Right, scuff, snap. Right, scuff, heel. Right, scuff, heel. And what makes the heel easy is because you have a bend, right? Bump, bump. If I was straight, ooh, that's so hard to do. So hard to do. Keep a nice bend in your knee. Bump, bump, bump. Woo! Okay, so right after that, it gets nice and simple. It's like we're unwinding from this little twist, right? Because we've just crossed our left over our right. We're actually going to step on the left and then unwind with the right. Nice and simple. Right scuff, snap, cross, unwind. One more time. Right scuff, snap, cross, unwind. Now let's try that with our left side, right? Because we're going to do this on our left side too. We're going to go left, scuff right. Left, scuff right. Left, scuff right. Left, scuff right, snap. Bump, bump, bump. Bump, bump, bump. Left scuff, snap. Or left scuff, heel. Left scuff, heel. Left scuff, heel. And then we're going to unwind. We're going to left scuff, heel, cross, snap. whatever you're feeling, right? You do what you're feeling. Bum, bum, ba-dum, bum. That's the tempo. Well, that's the rhythm. Left scuff and walk, walk. Nice and slow. Left scuff and walk, walk. I tell this to my class all the time. It's often harder to do it slow because you're forced to balance and use these like muscles in your legs. And now it just looks like I did the bend and snap. Hello. Oh, it's a day, guys. It's a day. Okay. So if it feels hard when you're doing it slow, it should feel hard. It's easier to put in your brain what your feet should do when it's slow. It's harder to make your body do it slow because now you're using all these muscle groups to balance, which isn't always a bad thing, but if you're like wobbling and topsy-turvy, that's why. It's because your body is learning how to balance. And maybe do it without heels. Maybe try it with sneakers on so that you can have more balance, or do it barefoot so you have full feeling of your body on the floor, right? Yeah, right, because we want to make sure we got balance and that we're going to be okay. All right. Bum, bum, bum. What I want to do is try going back and forth with this scuff step. I want to try going right scuff and walk, walk, then left scuff and walk, walk. Right scuff and walk, walk, left scuff and walk, walk. I'm going to do it slow and then I'm going to speed it up, just like we do in class. So we're going to start really slow, then I'm going to pick up the pace a little bit. And then we're going to teach you how this step looks with the walks and the scuffs, because it's kind of cool. All right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right scuff and cross, unwind. Left scuff and cross, unwind. Right scuff and walk, walk, walk scuff, heel walk. I'm speeding it up. Walk scuff and walk, walk, 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 bum bum, ba da, ba ba ba, da 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 If you got lost in there towards the end, don't worry. The song we're dancing to does not go that fast. And if you got it at that speed, well then maybe you'll be able to do the song at a faster tempo. And sweet. We're doing like a nice smooth shim sham shimmy, because that's how we roll in our class. Okay. So let's talk about how this all goes together. What's nice is you just did that back and forth. That is part of the routine. The beginning part of it is where we get to walk. So we're going to go right, left, right, left. Now we're going to do the right scuff and walk, walk. Now we're going to the left. Walk, 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 walk. Left scuff and walk, walk. To the right, left, right, left, right scuff and walk. Let's go to the left. 2, 3, 4. Left scuff and walk. To the right. Right scuff and walk. To the left. Now pay attention. We're going to the right. And now we're just going to do the scuff step back and forth. So we go left scuff and walk. Right scuff and walk. Left scuff and walk. Right scuff and walk. Now let's go back to walking. Walk. Left scuff and walk. Now let's walk to the right. Right scuff and walk. To the left. Walk scuff and walk. To the right. But at the end of this, we're just going to keep scuffing. Right scuff unwind, left scuff, and cross, unwind, right step, and cross, unwind. Huh, okay, so that wasn't too bad, or if it was, laugh it off, and it'll be okay. I'm going to tell you how it actually works in the song now. So we're going to do 3 walk, 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 scuff, and cross, unwind. We're going to do 3 of those. 1 to the right, 1 to the left, 1 to the right. Now the last scuff on the right is where we're going to switch and go right into a left scuff variation. And then go right into a right scuff variation after that, which will then plow us into the next step. So, let's try that really slow. We're going to start walking on our right foot. Walk right, walk left, walk right, walk left, right scuff, heel cross, unwind, walk left, walk right, left and right, left scuff, heel cross, unwind to the right, left, right. This is last one. Get ready to step left and left scuff, heel cross, unwind. Now right scuff, heel cross, unwind. That's what it looks like. And then I'll show you quickly what happens on the last one, but we're not going to worry about the right. Now let's just do this one more time, nice and slow. Starting on our right foot. Maybe put a little style in there if you're feeling comfortable with it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, 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 walk. Right scuff, heel cross, unwind, and left. Walk, left, walk, left scuff, heel cross. One more, here we go. Right, left, left into scuff steps. And cross, unwind, left scuff step. And cross, unwind, and right. And cross, unwind. Okay. If that's still confusing to you, go back and rewind and just do that. And think it through, like with your body, put it into your head, maybe, write it down. What am I doing? Sometimes, based on your learning style, you might need to do different things. Okay. The last right scuff and cross unwind, we're going to do a bit of a little "We Will Rock You" business. The bump, 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 bump. You may have that candy. Oh, they abuse their power when I'm doing things, don't they? That's children. Okay. Okay, sorry, I could sing that song all day. All right, we're going to do that. So our last one, we're going bump, bump, dump, bump, 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 bump. What was it? No, sorry. Why am I not getting it now? Ah! Bump, 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 bump. All right, so it's this one. We will rock you. Okay, sorry. Okay. Hopefully you just joined me and went along. That was your practice on that filling. But we're going right scuff, heel walk, and bump, bump. So we're just doing one of them. We're not doing a billion of them. I just want to put it in your body. And then you're immediately like, okay, we will rock you. It's coming up. But it's really going to go bump, 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 bump. Da-da-da. We'll get to that next video. All right, let's do that one more time from the beginning. Actually, let's go from the beginning of the whole song. Hopefully you've been practicing. And then you can see how part 2 goes into this next part. Okay. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, stamp and step, stamp and step, stamp and step, and stamp and step, stamp and step, stamp and step, stamp and step, and stamp and step. One more. And we're stepping forward, right. Toe, step, step back, toe, slide, clap, walk. Hey, right scuff, and walk, walk. How'd you do? Left. Left scuff, and walk, walk, walk. Right scuff, Don't worry about the last part. Unless you're like, sweet, I can do this, and it was just fun for you. But that gives you a general idea of how this part goes. Practice that. Have fun. Laugh along with me, as I am always weird. But that's okay. Love you guys.